Hi everyone, welcome. Teenage Engineering sent me their OB-4 Magic Radio. It has a lot of fun features. You can basically DJ your own music, everybody else's music, radio station music, and it even has an ambient mode that can turn all your sounds into beautiful soundscapes in an instant. But how do you record it? There's no line out. You need to use microphones. If that scares you, don't worry, I'll help you. I'll show you everything you need to know right here in this video. Let's go. If you didn't know, there's different types of microphones that have different characters and different sounds and usages. We'll be using two different types of mics in this video. We'll be using the condenser microphones and we'll be using dynamic microphones such as this one, the Shure SM57. This is a real classic. It's been used all over the world in both studios and on live stages forever. It's really great. It doesn't cost a fortune either. Good investment. This records very nicely at close range and it can take a beating both physically and audio level wise. So that's good for recording close, but it can't really record that well on distance. So that's a drawback for almost every dynamic microphone. But that's where the condenser comes in. Shh, spoiler, we'll get to that later. Let's dive into some miking techniques with dynamic mics, such as the Shure SM57 and the Sennheiser MD421 Mark II.
The Shure SM57 picks up sound that's right in front of it. That might sound obvious, but there's actually mics that also picks up what's behind it and all around it. The 57 has a good bitey tone and leans towards a brighter sound. We're gonna start by placing it straight in front of the middle on one of the speakers, about 5 centimeters away. Please note that the OB-4 speakers are placed at an angle, so I'm aiming the mic at this point, in between the tweeter and the cone to get the center. A mic in this so-called straight position is gonna pick up a bright and direct sound. Let's hear it.
So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud. So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud.
By the way, the singer that I've sampled here is Lola Regenthal. Be sure to check her out. I'll leave a link to her music in the description. You can also place the 57 in what's called the off-axis position. Here you angle the mic 45 degrees, but still aim for the same center spot. This will allow the mic to pick up a little more bass and not get blasted by the same amount of treble, so we get a bit of a rounder and fuller sound. Let's compare them. Here's the 57 in the straight position.
So vast is the sky.
Here's the 57 in off-axis position.
So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud.
It's up to you to decide which one you prefer and want to use. Both are valid options depending on what vibe you're going for and what fits the song. Let's move on to the Sennheiser MD421 Mark II. This is also a classic dynamic mic used in studios all over the world. It has a different character than the SM57 and has a lot fuller sound to it. You can use it in the same positions as I showed with the SM57, but for this example I want to use it on the bass speaker of the OB-4 to pick up all that low frequency goodness. Let's hear only the bass speaker and the 421. Now let's combine it with one of the 57s in the brighter straight position.
So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud.
Sometimes you want to record in stereo, and using two mics with one of the previously mentioned positions of your choice is a great way to do it. A rule to recording stereo is that you'd like a 3:1 ratio distance between your mics. That means you'd like to have 3 times the distance from your target, aka the speaker, to your next microphone. This is to prevent phasing issues. Let's hear it with 2 off-axis 57s.
So vast is the sky. So vast,
Now
so
I'll add in the
vast
421
is the
on the bass.
So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud.
Let's talk about condenser microphones. They come in different shapes and sizes, but they're usually the same idea. They have a better fidelity than dynamic mics, and they can record at a distance. So that's really cool. So let's say you like the sound of the room that your speaker is in, because we recorded the speaker at close range with the dynamics. Now we want to record the room. So that's where the condensers shine. Let's do this and let's find out how it works.
Okay, here we are in a not at all creepy basement. A little bit scared, but down there is the OB-4 with the OPC connected. And as you can hear, this room has a lot of character. This is cool. We'll be recording this with the Zoom H5. They have an XY condenser mic setup at the top. So this will be stereo. We're basically recording a reverb for our track. Let's go to recording mode. Everybody ready?
So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud. So vast is the sky. So vast is the cloud. Far away, far away.
That's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot how to use mics and record your OB-4 MkII radio. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please have fun, try different combinations of mics and placements. Let me know how it goes. And I would love if you would like and subscribe. Means a lot. See you out there. Take care. Bye.